I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today is Friday and today we are going to practice the vocabulary of this week, okay? Repeat after me please. Buy, high, line, pizza, progress, talk, cupboard, fetch, goose, activities, let's, suggestions. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you have to repeat all the vocabulary and practice. So check all the topics of the week. Continue watching the video for more explanations. The activities of this week were the past continuous and the rhymes words. The activities are study the vocabulary, create your video, and Kahoot.
See you tomorrow and remember, eat fruits and vegetables.
I never made it,